Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Facebook Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads or digital marketing services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's get started on the question I have today. Sorry for this. Looking for advice on Google Ads, phone call only ads. The issue this niche only provides a few hundred searches per month in this auction. I'm getting around 25 impressions per day, but zero clicks. So this was actually I got surprised when I get this basic question. So the second question was, what's your niche? He said construction is my niche. Okay, so I also discussed regarding the bidding strategies issues, which people usually have, and they said that, I started running maximize conversions, zero impressions, and switched to maximize clicks, and now still no impressions and no clicks. Okay, so okay, so for those, first of all, you know, it's a new account, and because you switch to maximize clicks, I do not recommend people to start competing with maximize conversion unless and until they do have data on maximize conversions. So which is why maximize conversions is a big no for new clients or new campaigns. Now when you switch to maximize clicks, there may be that your account into the under review, and you may have to wait a certain amount before you can start seeing impressions going on. Now you yourself is saying that this provides few hundred searches per month, and you are getting 25 impressions per day. It means that you are getting ample of share. So now your question is, you are getting zero clicks. So the main issue is with your ads have poor attraction. Your ads copy need to be improved. Okay, this is over here that ad copy needs an improvement. Okay, also account structure needs an improvement. Okay, I do not know your account structure, but what happens is that people add a lot of keywords in the same ad group, and which is why the ad may be confused, may be attractive to one keyword but may not be attractive to other keywords. So which is why the intent of the customer starts losing, which is why your ad, they see your ad but they do not click because they do not find it generally helpful and interesting. So what you have to do is you have to make your ad genuinely helpful and interesting for each keyword or each query to the user, so that you can get the maximum interest and maximum CTR. Right now our goal is to increase the CTR of the ad copies. Now to increase, okay, there may be other aspects as well in optimizing the campaign, like looking around for more keywords and increasing the impressions. But right now your concern is regarding you are getting impressions but zero clicks, you want to get more clicks. So which is why I suggest two basic things, and that is ad copy needs an improvement and account structure needs an improvement. There is a tool available which is with the name of Coroya. That is an ad preview tool where I can show you how different ad copies will appear on, and through that you can check on how we can make your ad and more interesting ad. Now this is a regular search based ad in Google Ads. You may see that this is a normal ad and people may notice it and people may eventually click it, but how we can make it ad more interesting, more attractive, even better than our competitors. There is a simple thing which people lack and people miss, which I often recommend people, is to use the extensions. You can see that how ad extensions can improve. Let's, if I add a styling extension, you can see, if I add location extension, if I add the advertiser rating, you can see that how attractive my ad has become. And if I add the pricing extension or a deal extension, you can see that people have an option even to buy it out. And like, I can even name my styling extension as 10% off deal, 10% deal, or 30% offer. Okay, so you can see that I can make my ad copy more interesting by using these ad copy structures, and then optimizing my Google Ads account structure. That is optimizing, let me write it this way, and this can be your remedy for your so far getting impressions but no clicks. I hope this answers your question, but in case if you need a detailed audit, me and my team can help you. Again, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to look forward to get an awesome Google Ads or a digital marketing campaign for you. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, I look forward to working with you, so you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.